If you have ever wanted to sell your own branded products, but didn't know how to actually make them, the answer is in this video. Okay guys, so today I'm coming at you with this short video showing you the simplest way to make your own real product, not a digital one, which by the way I will talk about as well, but in different video. And if you are confused because of what you see in front of the camera, remember, I'm the best one on YouTube when it comes to combining irrelevant audio and video. The simplest way to make your own product when you don't have business background and don't know shit about production or stuff related to it is going to a manufacturer. Here's what I mean. I'm going to use a t-shirt as an example. Don't know why, I just like to do it this way. So, if you want to create your own branded t-shirts, you go to people that are already making them. It can be a producer from Alibaba or even a local company. That depends on you. Then you reach out to them and ask if they would produce a t-shirt for you with your labels and your own beautiful logo on it. You make a deal, negotiate the price, place an order for a bigger amount and sell them under your brand. A lot of people are doing it this way. It doesn't matter what product you want to make. It can be shoes, power banks or whatever else. You get the idea. The question is, if you have a product, how to sell it. And here comes the main topic of this channel, which is a magic thing called brand. I think you should build it on social media and then sell your product to your audience. Simple. If you have different opinion or any questions on this topic, don't be shy. Use that comment section and let's talk. That's it for today and see you next week.